morning, wood people. Another short movie for you. So as you might have noticed is that we sold our Wood-Mizer LT70 and got a new toy. So the LT20 went to the north to two cool guys that are about to cut some wood to produce boards for their tree protection fences. If you are interested in it, check out the link. We decided to get something new, meaning that we ordered it last year because the capacity is there for it. It's a way more effective saw, and in the background you can see the LT70. We picked it up 4 weeks ago, and I would love to give you a short overview of the LT70 Wide and also explain to you how it makes our work way easier. We got the 18.5 kilowatt motor, electric power on it, doesn't stop, just moves through the wood. New control unit, completely new, a new computer. I'm going to do another video about it because the old one that I used, the SW10, is absolutely different. I'm going to do a German video because you can only find English videos. And if you're going to go and get the LT40, LT70, it might be helpful for you. The blade tension is also completely different as it was on the LT20 with air pressure. Board return arms, there are also bigger ones, but I removed it because we don't need the big ones. Bark cleaner or pre-cutter to clean the curve, because in the past I sometimes cut into a stone. It's really, really annoying. The cutting width is 86 centimeters from the left to the right. Bend guiding rolls, the biggest option that you can get with this kind of saw, due to the fact that it's the LT70 Wide. Let's just quickly talk about the hydraulics. This is the hydraulic log lifter. It lifted everything so far, so we had a big pine tree yesterday without problem. So we got the pull down clamps. You can adjust wood which is not, straight a little bit to keep it clamped. You got the tow rolls to move your log back and forth. In the back it's the powered one. You can really just move your log to the right position. You got the log clamp, or let's say the main clamp, to lift, to move your log. You can do pretty much everything. And this is the most important one. It's the chain log turner. So really easy to move your logs, to move into both directions and to position your log into just the right way. So let me just quickly walk around. The cutting length is still 6 meters and 10, long enough because you need the wood for it, you need to move it. So this is the hydraulic log clamp. We changed it a little bit because we usually cut smaller logs, and those tend to slide off the bed with the original ones. So that's the reason why we changed this. And this is the wood return table. We had it on the old one. We just fit it to the new saw. Some support legs underneath makes it really stable. So friends, now you know what we got. The LT70, really nice working tool. Your work is done way faster than in the past. We can just recommend this saw, basically. So now I'm going to work a little bit. See you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.